So yo, what's up guys, me Ran, welcome back to Tech and Gaming Boy YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 for free in PC and activate it for lifetime obviously. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, at first the thing you need to do is that I've given a link in the description. You'll go to that link and you'll come to this page. After coming to this page, you'll scroll down and click this. Guys, if you have a 64-bit operating system, you can download this file. Let me show you how to check. Click your Windows button, click this and then search about your PC. And guys, you can see that I have a 64-bit operating system. That means I can download this file. Guys, if you have a 32-bit operating system, you can download this file to those who have a 64-bit operating system. So guys, if you have a 64-bit operating system, I have told 64-bit, it will be 32-bit. So guys, if you have a 64-bit operating system, you can only download this file, and if you have a 32-bit one, you can't. Sorry guys, to those who have a 32-bit operating system. If you have a 64-bit, just click so hard on your mouse. Wait. Uncheck this, click close. So guys, here comes the important part. So guys, if your internet speed is too slow and it is showing that it will take a day or 17 to 18 hours to download this tiny 2.30 GB file, for that you can use internet download manager. Guys, I have made a video on it, how to download the internet download manager and register it for lifetime. You can go and watch the video if you have this problem like me. I'll put the link in the I button. And guys, if you think that you have a blazing fast internet speed that can download this file within 1 hour in the Chrome's default download manager, you can use the Chrome's default download manager. But if you think that your internet speed is too slow, it will take 17 to 18 hours or a day to download this type of file, you can watch my video how to download the internet download manager and activate it and register it for lifetime. I'll put the link in the I button. You can watch that video and download internet download manager, activate it for register it for lifetime. Guys, I will suggest you to use this internet download manager. Now I will select the location like this. I will download it in my E drive. No, I will download it in my F drive. So I'll select my F drive. So guys, that's an advantage. In your Chrome's default browser, you can't select location, but in IDM, internet download manager, you can select its location. And now click save. So guys, IDM is better than Chrome's default browser. And now click start download. So as you can see, the download is started. So guys, to increase its speed, you just need to do nothing. Minimize this, right click this and open. So guys, now click the option button, click connection, and then make it to 24. Guys, never make it to 32. 32 will give you a better speed, but it is so risky. 24 is the best option. Make it to 24 and then make it to high speed and then click OK. And guys, your internet speed will increase up. First, let me close this. And as you can see, your internet speed is increasing. Guys, I'm again telling you, if you have a low internet connection like me, slow internet connection, and it will take a day or 17 to 18 hours to download this 2.30 GB file, you can watch my video how to download the internet download manager and register it for lifetime, so that you can watch the I will put the link in the I button so that you can watch the video and download IDM and register it for lifetime for free. from there. And guys, if you think that your internet speed is too fast, so fast, and it will take 1.5 hour or 1 hour to download this 2.30 GB file in Chrome's default download manager, you can download it in using Chrome's default download manager. But guys, I will suggest you this internet download manager, because one advantage is you will get more high speed than any other internet download manager, more than the Chrome's download manager. And another advantage is that you can select location that you can't select using the Chrome's default download browser, so sorry, manager. So guys, that's what I have to say. And guys, now wait for it to install. So guys, you can see that the file is downloaded. Now close it, and now click this start button, click settings, click update and security, click Windows security, click virus and threat protection, wait, click manage settings, turn off this, click yes, turn off this, and turn off this. Now also turn off this. Guys, you want to turn off these files, because if you didn't turn off this all files, you will get a trial version that you don't want. You want a full version. That's why you need to turn off that. And guys, now you have to turn off your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Guys, if you are using a Wi-Fi, just click this, just disconnect it from here. And if you are using an Ethernet cable, just click here, search control panel, click open, click network and internet, click network and sharing center, click change adapter settings. And guys, if you are using a Ethernet cable, just right click this and click it and click disable. But if you are using Wi-Fi like me, click this and then click disconnect, and then open your download manager, find the location where you have downloaded your file. Like I have downloaded it in the E drive. And guys, you can see that here is the Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. Right click this, click extract files, and then guys click OK. And guys, the password is 123. After putting the password, you have to click OK. So guys, you can see that it is extracting. Now wait for it to extract. So guys, you can see that the file is extracted. Let me find where is the file. I guess it is in the downloads. Yes. No. Where is the file? Wait. So guys, you can see this, that the file is here. Open the file. And guys, here is written the password is 123 that I have told you. Open this file. Right click this setup.exe. Guys, before extracting this file and opening this setup.exe, you must need to do the following steps. Turn off your antivirus and Windows Defender, turn off your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Okay guys, now right click this setup.exe, click open, wait. So guys now click yes. So guys, you can see that the Photoshop 2021 will install. So guys, you can see the language English, location default. You can also change the location, but I will not change the location. I will keep it default. And now click continue. Guys, you can see that the Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 is installing. Wait. So guys, you can see that your Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 or for Adobe Photoshop 2021 is downloaded. Now close it, and now close it, and wait, let me find it. Guys, you can see that here is Adobe Photoshop 2021. Why there is no icon? Guys, let me refresh it. Forget about that, just click your start button and you can see that your Adobe Photoshop 2021 or here. Just click it. Wait. So guys, you can see that the Adobe Photoshop is opening. Wait. So guys, by using Adobe Photoshop CC 2021, you can make attractive thumbnails, edit photos, make photos look better, make thumbnails. Like me, I will make thumbnails from now in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, let the Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 open. Wait, it is initial. Oh, it's taking us a lot time than I expected. Okay, I will wait. Now again wait. So guys, you can see that your Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 is opened. Wow! For example, I will create a new project. Not for example, I will really make a thumbnail later, not now. Wait, it is loading. So as you can, from here you can do anything, like anything. So let me check if there's any way to check that if you are signed in. So as you can see that if you are on a trial version, this manage my account, this option will be unlocked. But if you are in the full version, that's why you can't click this manage my account, and you can click this system info. So guys, you can see the Adobe Photoshop number of launches, this. Wait. Let me see if there's any way to check. No. Again. My piece. Yes. You can click Windows. You can click here or here or here. About Photoshop. So guys, wait. So guys, in case you don't know what is Adobe Photoshop, you can read this full. You can pause the video and read this full. So guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel if it worked for you. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. As always, subscribe must. And again, goodbye. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you one thing. Now you can turn on your Wi-Fi, turn on this, like me, I'll turn this, and this, and close it. And I'll turn on my Wi-Fi. So guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.